How to fix message not sending on Telegram in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and then search here Telegram, and then first of all check your Telegram update. Make sure you update your Telegram, and if you can't update your Telegram, then here you can see the option update. First of all, update your Telegram. After update your Telegram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then swipe down to your control center and turn on or off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back and open settings. In settings, click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and here you can see the app Telegram. Now click on Telegram and then click on offload, and then again click on offload. After offload your Telegram app, then again click on reinstall app. After reinstall your Telegram, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.